Okay, this is Thursday, October 24th. See if I can get this so you can read it. I'm not sure you can read that. I don't know how clear that is. Maybe that'll help. What we have here is a severe weather watch. Urgent weather message from the National Weather Service, Sacramento. Thursday, October 24th, high wind watch in effect from Saturday evening through Sunday evening. A strong but dry storm system will move south through Northern California Saturday and Sunday. The system will cause strong and potentially damaging north to east winds over much of interior California, including the Delta portions, Sacramento area, the mountains and foothills. This will likely be the strongest windstorm of the fall season. High wind watch in effect from Saturday evening through Sunday evening. Northeast winds 30 to 40 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 possible. Locally higher, especially near canyons. Northern Sacramento, central Sacramento Valley, South Sacramento, mountains, Shasta County, northern Lake County, Clear Lake, northeast foothills. Okay, so our area all the way down Lassen Park and west slopes of the Sierra Nevada. Let me show you what they've been doing all week outside here. Hi, Tom. Hi, girls. Get over my barriers here. Okay. They have been covering the sky with chemtrails all day, all night. Oh, look, we've got the X directly over us. X marks the spot. We don't usually get the X directly over us, but maybe he wanted to mark exactly where my house was. So he went directly over me. I almost fall down looking up like that. Yep, straight up. Can you see that? I don't know. Let me see. This way, that way, this way. Well, maybe you can see it. But that's what they've been doing all week, just totally covering the sky. Wednesday, yesterday, we got a little bit of a break. But the sky was kind of weird. I don't know what was over the sky, but we didn't see the obvious chemtrails. But Monday, Tuesday, and this is Thursday, obvious chemtrails all day long. Oh, over there is kind of that weird grayish. That's a bit of what was here yesterday. Almost looks like a blue sky, but it's more grayish in color. So it's some other kind of chemtrail. Look at how big these guys are getting. Oh, maybe you can't tell how big they're getting. Well, that's an almost 2-foot doorway. Well, somebody decided to step in the food bowl. Tom, of course. Hello, Tom. And we've had the planes, but they're so high up I cannot tell where they're coming from or what they are. You can hear it again. Heard a lot of planes Monday and Tuesday. That's two of them up there right now, but I cannot tell you where they are. It's just quiet enough here that you can hear them. Hey, that's my glasses, guys. Well, now I lost the plane sounds behind the truck sounds. You can still hear the plane up there, but I couldn't tell you where it is.